In this clip, we'll introduce the component catalogue. The component catalogue is used with the drawstring editor, and the drawstring editor is accessed from either an actual well or a plan. In this case, I'll utilize a plan, so I can access the drawstring editor by going to the icon on the toolbar, or right-click on the plan itself and go to drawstring editor. This will open up the drawstring editor dialog. This is where you would build a BHA or a downhole string, and normally you would select a component type and then fill in the data. However, this is where the component catalog comes in. Component catalog is a listing of various different components that already have this information filled in that you can filter through and add into your BHA. So in order to do this, right click on a line in your BHA and insert from catalog. Okay, this opens the component catalog dialog. Now in this case, you can see we've got a large number of components. You can filter these. So in this case, I'm going to find some 5-inch drill pipe, S135 and 19 ppf NC50. So I'm going to hit insert. If we minimize this, we can now see that the information for that graded drill pipe has been pulled in to the drill string editor, complete with the component details. This is what the component catalog is there for. If we do not have an item in here that you use regularly, you can add it yourself to your editable component catalog. You can do that by hitting add, selecting the component type. In this case, we'll just add a crossover, for example, and we'll call it okay. Okay, and at this point you would fill in the rest of the details and dimensions for this component. You would then hit apply. We now have our component added to the component catalog, and we can find our component again by filtering, crossover, and here it is. Something to bear in mind is that if you want to back up or send your component catalog with your edits to another user, then you can easily do that by selecting export and saving to a given location. If at any point you want to utilize your component catalog and reset it to the default, simply hit reset. It will give you a warning message and you hit yes. This will reset your component catalog to exclude the items that you've just added. If at any point you want to get your old settings, you can go to import and pull in the export file that you previously made. That concludes the brief introduction to component catalog within WellSeeker Pro.